Last time on the Wildering Camper, we just found a campsite to park up for a little while we decided to venture out and explore the surrounding area. We managed to find a decent hike, following up by a castle and a beautiful beach. Morning guys, it's 10 to 8 and we're almost ready to go out in the kayak. Planning to go all the way over there and then we need to be back before 12 because that's when we need to leave the campsite. So we're hoping to do that in roughly 3 hours and then get back in time. Yeah, should be fun.
Rightio, about to go.
Lucky for us, it turned out to be a beautiful morning. The water was pretty flat and there wasn't much wind, so we hoped that the kayak wouldn't take as long as it looked and we would have more time to look around when we finally arrived. How far away are we?
I'm gonna say we're a safe distance away.
There's Nelly over there. And there's where we're going. We were heading to a faraway small rock island that we'd read about, described as being surrounded by ultra clear blue water and its natural rock archway through the middle point of the island. We were quickly realising that we'd set ourselves up for a bigger kayak than expected.
Quickly coming to a realisation that we're ages away from home. Oh, we're closer. We made it! Right.
By the time we'd arrived, we were a bit behind schedule, but still had about 40 minutes to explore the natural caves and arches. Due to the fact the sun was now in full swing, we decided it would be a bit of a waste if we didn't at least get into the water. So before making the big paddle back, we threw in our snorkel and decided to jump in. After we'd cooled off enough, we hopped back into the kayak and quickly had a bite to eat, sharing food with the fish and hoped they would show. Not surprisingly, we had no luck, so it was time to start the dreaded journey back so we would have time to leave the campsite. Onwards we go!
Are we gonna make it in time? That's the question.
When we finally made it back to shore, we were very relieved. What had been a calm morning paddle had turned into an unexpected 10k journey. But for now, there was no time to rest as we had to pack up and go. About to take off, how are you feeling?
Knackered. It was a massive kayak. I don't know how long, probably about an hour and a half each way at least. Yeah, I'm just...
I can't even hold this camera up. So, Dylan's just doing the toilet now. We've got the archaeological site of Olympia in the maps, which is an hour 48 minutes away, so decent drive today. We are going to stop at a supermarket. We saw quite a few coming down, but they were all closed because it was Sunday. So we're going to stop and try to find some milk and coffee and stuff to get us through. We're not 100% sure if we're going to look at the site tonight or tomorrow. I think it depends how we're feeling. Both pretty knackered after that mega walk yesterday and the ridiculous idea of a kayak this morning. We have kind of put stuff away. We've got the kayak out because unfortunately we didn't have enough time to dry it, so it's in the sail. Hopefully the water will run out towards the door. And yeah, active day today. The drive back from where we had already come was a bit frustrating for the both of us, as missing Olympia on the way down was a major oversight. But as soon as we hit the road, we were sure it was the right decision for us, and we were both starting to get a little bit more excited about it.
Hey guys, so we're about to go into Olympia now. We figured better off go check it out rather than waiting. So we're gonna go check it out.
Yay! Got my explorer hat on.
Yeah.
So we're ready.
Cool.
The ancient city of Olympia is known most famously for being the home origin of the ancient Olympics. The first of the games commencing as early as 776 BC, occurring every 4th year and continuing without break for 1,169 years until being abolished by the Roman Emperor Theodosius I.
Trooper taken.
That's the hat.
Indiana Jones.
It was a bit surreal walking around an area of such history and imagining, not so unlike today's games, the atmosphere of elite sporting heroes of their times and celebrations, which also had us comparing it to our own attempt of barely recognisable athletic abilities back when we were in Turkey at the start of the year.
Go! Oh, scissor kick.
After seeing the arena, we decided to look around a bit more and learned there was a little bit more to Olympia than sports. Zeus was the dominant god in the sanctuary of Olympia, seen as the father of the Olympian gods and greatly worshipped, making his cult there one of the oldest in Greece. Which is why a 12-metre high statue of Zeus was made, a wooden frame covered in ivory and gold, which became one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world, but was sadly burnt down.
Well, so far it's been pretty cool.
Yeah.
I mean, a lot of it is a bit worn down, but that's just because it's so old.
It's kind of like going into what I thought would be more sporting orientated, but really it's just like a city that happened to have a perfect arena for the Olympics.
Pretty much.
Almost.
But yeah, we'll keep on exploring and we'll get back to you.
We're standing where one of the 7 wonders of the world was made, a 12-metre high statue of Zeus.
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
Anyway, now we're going. We'll get back to you soon.
Because we'd expected to come the following morning, we only had a little bit of time left before the gates would be closed on us, so we decided to head to the museum before that closed too.
Crazy.
Crazy. That side's way more peaceful. These guys are fighting and these guys are chilling.
Can you tell us that gameplay?
Wow. Quite tired, so we're going to head back to the van. We don't think we're going to stay there because we don't want to get us moved when we've just chilled out because we're so tired. So we think we're going to go to a campsite and then we'll be able to put the kayak out and try it and then also have some food and then sleep in the morning. Yeah. Big day.
Sounds good.
So we're off now. Absolutely pooped, but that was really cool. I think worth it to see it. I'm not sure if it's a place we'd come back to, but it's pretty cool. Now we're just gonna find a campsite and eat and sleep.
we're just going to quickly go check out Sparta now.